saw Israel annexing Gaza, the West Bank, and the Golan. The Arab countries, despite performing commendably in the 1973 war, found themselves in a state of indecisiveness due to their previous losses. The late 20th century witnessed two regional intifadas or uprisings by the Palestinian people against the Israeli governments in 1987 and 2000. The 21st century has also seen its share of conflict, with wars such as the 2006 Lebanon War and the 2014 Gaza War adding more layers to this complex issue. The current Munich Compromise presents an opportunity to mitigate these conflicts, with hopes of moving towards equality and peace. However, the reality on the ground is far from ideal, and finding a solution remains a daunting task. The Palestine-Israel conflict is a stark reminder of the human cost of political and